The remains of zaoga pastor Ezekiel Guti is expected to land at Harare International Airport on Saturday afternoon. There's a letter that was written on 19 ichiadreswa kuma church leaders and saints yanyorwa na Pastor Nyambo inviting church members to welcome Mutumbi, the religious leader from South Africa. Tsamba yacho inoti to Greater Harare, Norton and Chitungwiza members. We announce the homecoming of our father, who is accompanied by our mother, Archbishop Professor Ezekiel Guti, and the family this Saturday, 22 July 2023, around 12 p.m. We therefore encourage Greater Harare, Norton, and Chitungwiza members to come in numbers and honor our father at the Robert Gabriel International Airport, Harare, on this historic day. We will line up along Airport Road from the airport roundabout to Braeside roundabout before the convoy proceeds to the parlor. We are encouraged to wear any zaoga regalia for this occasion. Designated parking spaces have been identified and details will be communicated by the organizers soon. Those from outside Harare are encouraged to come for the grand celebrations scheduled for 3 to 6 August 2023. The overseers and the bishops are welcome to represent their provinces. Yours in the vineyard, Pastor Nyambo. Tsamba inongoratidza how the system has failed people. Kuti munhu anonofira ku South Africa trying to get proper medical care. Even if he built a hospital, there is no proper health care and some of the machines are not working. So people are forced to go out of the country. And now look at this. This is a very prolonged funeral, which takes its toll on the family. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and to hit the notification button. Kuti pesa but no poster. Maybe the first people to know. Where my Benji signing out.